What's happening, everybody? These are advanced iMessage tips that you probably don't know about. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos like this. So let's get started. This is how a user's experience looks when they're using iMessages. You would know it's an iMessage conversation because everything you sent would turn into blue bubbles. If you want to tell when exactly someone read your message and you can't see their timing on it, you can simply swipe left on the screen and now you would be able to see all the timing as to when they read the message or you read their message. And that's how you can tell it. If you press and hold onto any of the messages, you would get a bunch of these features. You can react to those messages by tapping on any of these icons at the top, or you can reply to that message, copy it, translate it, or if you want to delete it, you can go into more and be able to delete it just like that. If you tap the person's icon at the very top, you'll get a new menu right here. Here at the very top, you can either request them for their location or share your current location with them for a certain amount of time or for unlimited amount of time as well. If you're getting too many messages from somebody, you can hide their alerts right here by turning this option on and off. If you don't want someone to know what time you read their messages, you can turn these read receipts off just like that. But if you do that, you won't be able to know what time did they receive your messages as well. Okay, so the next option is the plus icon right here. That's gonna give you a bunch of different options right here. So at the top here, we have the camera icon. That's gonna allow you to take pictures or photos of live location, whatever you want to take pictures of, and you can send it directly into the iMessage.
A word from the sponsor.
I'm gonna give you guys all the reasons to use private internet access as your VPN. So if you don't know, a VPN actually secures your online activities by hiding your IP address from potential hackers. So when you're connected to a public Wi-Fi at your library, at school, or a coffee shop, VPN is actually gonna create a secret tunnel for your privacy, and it's also gonna allow you to watch certain movies and shows on different platforms that might not be available in your area. Private internet access has been doing this for over a decade. It has over 30 million downloads, has a proven no-log policy of your data in court, and they're offering a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. They also allow an unlimited number of devices under one account. Setup process is as easy as pressing just one button, just like that. So go to this link and get 83% discount on the pricing. That's about $2.03 per month. On top of that, get 4 months for free.
Back to the video.
If you already have some pictures and photos taken, you can select this photos icon and go to the photos application and select that and then send that to the person. After that, we have the stickers option, which actually has a bunch of different options built into it. Very first one is the history of stickers that were used previously. The next option is where you can have your own custom stickers made. Just by tapping this plus icon, you can select any of the pictures available. For example, if I select this one, it automatically takes the subject and creates a sticker out of it. You can tap this add sticker icon and it will become a sticker. Now it's also going to give you these options to add effects onto the sticker. You have this option to make like a border around the sticker. You can change that into a comic sticker color, or we have this icon where you can change the light based off of the orientation of your phone. It's just very cool. So once you're done, you can select done, and now you can tap it and be able to send it directly to the person. And while these stickers are in the conversation, you can still have the same effect available for that. Not only that, but you can also respond to any of the text messages using these stickers, and it'll stick to that message just like that, telling them that this is your response to that message. After that, we have these are Memoji stickers that are just static. You can select any of them and send those, or click on this plus icon and create your own custom Memoji sticker. We also have these fitness app stickers as well that you can send just like that. And if you want to edit or add certain app, you can do that right here. And if you want to get rid of them, you can tap on this box again, and then all of those options are gone and you have your own keyboard appearing right here. Next up, we have the audio option where you can tap it and start recording any audio that you want to send. And once you pause it, you still have this plus icon right next to the audio, which means that you can continue recording from wherever you left off and make one file out of as many recordings as you want. And once you're done, you can tap this send option to send it, or this X icon to simply delete that. Next up, we have this location option as well, where you can either select your own location or request their location to be sent to you. This more option is gonna give you a bunch of new features that were not there before. Image search would simply let you search any of the memes available on the internet and send them kind of like in a fun way as a response to a message or something like that. Check-in option is a new feature that allows your phone to keep track of your location, and as soon as you reach your home, it sends your location automatically to a person. It helps in a situation where you're leaving somebody's house to go to your house alone and it's dark or whatever, and they want to make sure that you get home safely. This is going to keep track of your location and send it to them as soon as you reach home. Digital touch is a very creative and fun way to send cool animations to somebody, just like that. You can also draw something and they'll be able to see exactly what you drew, the way you drew it. And it's just a cool way to make the conversation fun. Next up is the Memoji option, where you can select any of these faces, slap them onto your face just by letting it track your face, and it responds to your facial expressions as well. And once you're done recording it, you can send it directly to anyone. Again, another cool way to make a conversation fun. Next up is another cool feature of sending TikTok and YouTube videos to somebody without leaving the iMessage app itself. Once you select an application, it takes your previously watched videos or lets you search any video that you want to share with someone. And once you select one, you can simply send it to them and they can watch it within the application. And that's how you both can actually watch the same video at the same time in the same conversation. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.